Welcome to the Tivoli coffee table, table and dry bar base assembly instructions. When you open the boxes, they will contain the column, the spider and the base. You will need a drill with a 5mm Allen key drill bit and thread lock. Firstly, remove the silver screws from the bottom of the column using the 5mm drill piece. Flip it around and do the same to the other side by removing the silver screws. When complete, place the column vertical with the brass or copper collar on the ground. Position the spider on top, apply thread lock to the screws and tighten them using the drill. Flip the column over and place the base on top of the column, lining up the holes. Once again, apply thread lock to the screws and tighten using the drill. The Tivoli range comes in a coffee table, table and dry bar with multiple disc finishes including black, white, brass or copper with interchanging brass or copper collars. Perfect for the modern and high-end restaurant, cafe or office spaces.